Hello everyone and welcome to the class. Now in this video we're gonna learn how to install the package Git and how to clone from the Git repository. And at the end we'll learn how to use the Wget command. Now to install Git, simply type apt install git and press Y and hit enter. Once our Git has been successfully installed, go to the Git repository. Just copy the link of any GitHub repository you wanna clone and come back to the Linux terminal. So copy the link and come back to the Linux terminal and type git clone and paste the link. So git clone is primarily used to point to an existing repository and make a clone or copy of that repository in a new directory or in a location. So simply the git clone command copies an existing Git repository. So git clone and paste the URL and hit enter. As you can see, the clone is started. To check if our cloning is done or not, simply type ls and hit enter. As you can see, Metasploit in Termux has been successfully cloned. So you can also change the directory to Metasploit in Termux and hit enter. If you ls, you will see all the various files and folders. So if you just simply type cat and readme.md, you will see how to install this Metasploit Termux. Metasploit in Termux. So this is the full procedure given. So we'll come across this procedure how to install Metasploit and everything in our coming sections. So this is the simple demonstration like how to clone from the GitHub repository. So, git clone helps us to clone from the GitHub repository. But if you want to copy a file or a folder from web, how we can do it? For that we use the command wget. So wget command is a Linux command line utility that helps us to download the files from the web. To install wget, simply type apt install wget. Now let's suppose I want to download a file from the web. So for that, simply type wget and paste the URL. Wget and paste the URL. As you can see, the file has been copied from the web. If you ls and see, you can see readme.md.1. This is the file which we have copied from the web. Clear the screen.